Well, this is our Jujube orchard. We all know about these plums. These trees is really so small but broad in. And I take this video to discover about our Jujube orchard. As you know, Jujube is also familiar to known plums, and this is so popular and so delicious fruits all over the world. So right now I am standing behind the Jujube orchard because I am taking the preparation to make this video about this orchard. So guys, you can see there are many jujube trees, and you can see behind me, two sides of the road, there are so many jujube trees, especially the plum trees. So these trees is the round shape, and also my father cultivate these trees seasonally because last few years my father and my mother cultivate these trees seasonally, and we are cultivate this every year because it's really so comfortable and also some risky, but it's so popular and delicious fruits. That's why my parents cultivate this jujube orchard. I am showing you just the two sides of the roads, but around our ponds there are many jujube trees, and I am taking these shoots just only the roads because I wanna show you in English in about jujube trees practically. These trees is small, and also is still the plums are really so small. It has not been ripened yet, and when it will be ripened, that time the color of the plums will be changed, also the shape. I can show you some plums. Actually I can't contain this because it's so up to me. That's why I can't catch this well. Let me show you. Here is the one plum I just put from the trees. So guys, these plums is still so small and round shape or oval shape. So it's not has been still ripened. When it will be ripened, this color of the plums will be changed green to reddish brown, and especially the trees are grown up day by day, and also when it will be ripened, it's chewed so comfortably, and it's so tasty to eat, because when it will be chewed in our mouth, it's really so delicious because its size is small. So at the winter season in Bangladesh, the plums trees are literally grown up, and at the warm atmosphere it's so easy and comfortable to cultivate. That's why my parents every year cultivate these plums. So I am just in front of the just middle point of the jujube orchards. I already mentioned to you that around our ponds there were so many trees, and I will show you at the next time that how much trees have, and my parents cultivate this. So I already mentioned that these trees are so popular, and also the fruits, the plums is really so tasty. And at the season of the warm atmosphere, it's grown so well. So guys, you can see there are many trees, and it looks like so beautiful and eye-catching. I can't remove my what I say. This is really so astonishing and beautiful, because in the lovely nature, it's grown up so smoothly, and it looks so naturally and beautiful. And I am really so enthusiastic to making this video about our jujube orchard. And you can see there are many jujube orchard, and the trees is literally grown up so well. So here are, I can show you some of the plums. Well, how can I show you? Actually, I am not unable to watch these plums from near. Well, friends, that's all for me. I want to show you about my village environment, and especially it's just of ours. And I am really interested and enthusiastic to watch up our jujube trees, and it's called the plums trees. So I wish you will enjoy this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and also keep touch with me at the next video. I wish okay, well guys, you can see it's clear